Hey guys, what's up? This is your friend Amjad, and in today's video lesson, I'm gonna teach you 10 most used sentences in English with Urdu and Hindi meanings. But before we get started, I would like to say if you need more such video lessons, you can contact me personally on the number that I have posted at the top of this screen. And also, this is my own website. You can visit for more sentences and meanings with Urdu and Hindi. So let's get started. The first sentence that we are gonna learn today is this one. You are better able to do it than I. What does that mean? You can see the translation in Urdu here. मेरी निस्बत आप इस काम को बेहतर कर सकते हैं. Listen to it carefully again. You are better able to do it than I. मेरी निस्बत आप इस काम को बेहतर कर सकते हैं. Let's move on to the second one. Second one is he is a man with no fixed abode. He is a man with no fixed abode. And its meaning is वो ऐसा शख्स है जिसकी मुकर्ररा जाए रिहाइश नहीं है. The third one is, let me point it out. The third one, he is living in object poverty. He is living in object poverty. And it means, as you can see, वो शदीद गुर्बत में रह रहा है. This is its meanings. The fourth sentence that you are gonna learn is this one. As you can see, the whole building was soon ablaze. The whole building was soon ablaze. And its meaning is सारी इमारत जल्द ही शोलों की लपेट में आ गई. सारी इमारत जल्द ही शोलों की लपेट में आ गई. Let's jump on to the fifth sentence. This one. Carry them 3 at a time. Carry them 3 at a time. It means इनको 3-3 करके ले जाओ. इनको 3-3 करके ले जाओ. Okay, the sixth one is it is a time to go abroad. जहाज़ पर सवार होने का वक्त हो गया है. It is a time to go abroad. Abroad, जहाज़ पर सवार होने का वक्त हो गया है. The seventh sentence is I abhor cruelty to animals. I abhor cruelty to animals, which means मैं जानवरों पर जुल्म से नफ़रत करता हूँ. मैं जानवरों पर जुल्म से नफ़रत करता हूँ. The next sentence is it is too difficult a book for me. It is too difficult a book for me, which means ये किताब मेरे लिए बहुत मुश्किल है. The ninth one is what an opportunity you missed. What an opportunity you missed, which means तुमने कितना अच्छा मौका ज़ाया कर दिया. The final sentence of today's lesson is don't go out without any need. Don't go out without any need. Especially this sentence is related to the situations that we are facing these days because of the lockdown, because of the coronavirus. So listen to it carefully again. Don't go out without any reason. And it means किसी ज़रूरत के बग़ैर घर से बाहर मत निकलो. किसी ज़रूरत के बग़ैर घर से बाहर मत निकलो. Okay guys, I think it's enough for today. We'll see you in the next video lesson. Before I end this video, I would like to say again, if you need more videos lessons like this one, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number that I have posted at the top of this screen. You can contact me, and also I'll be providing live lessons to video calls. So if you are interested, you can definitely contact me You can share any problem of yours with me related to English. I will try to solve that for you. And you can also visit this website, which is my own one, for more English lessons and vocabularies. So thank you guys for watching. Please share this video with all your friends and with your groups. Minimum, it should be shared with 5 groups on WhatsApp. So we'll see you in another video. Thank you so much. Goodbye.